2,000 creators, every Friday. $20 a month. Make AI video that actually looks like film. Join us.
Everything you saw on screen right now came from one typed request and one image. I typed a single brief into Runway's agent and went through the process of creating a video from scratch with its help. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly what came out and where I'd refine it. Quick disclosure up front, Runway is sponsoring this video and everything you're about to see is a real screen recording. Runway's agent now has skills. A skill is a whole job packaged as one request. There are precepts built in: ad campaign, commercial, UGC, video, mood board, motion graphics, social thumbnail, resize image, and they run on models inside Runway like Gen 4.5, Aleph, Act-Two, plus Kling, Seedance 2, VO, and more. And after 20 years as an editor, that gap between generation and a finished deliverable is the gap I care about so much. So here we are in Runway and we're looking at their new agent model, which has skills which can do all sorts of different things like run ad campaigns and repeat any type of process that you do regularly. So I'm going to do an ad campaign here. And I'm going to just type in an idea here. I want an ad campaign for my current AI video cohort aimed at creators and small business owners who want to help make cinematic AI video without a film crew, warm and direct tone, no hype. Here's a text from the about page of my group and I copy and paste it in the about page of my group. And then I'm also just going to give it a picture, the group image here, which has this cinematic image picture here. So now we've come into this page here where the agent is loaded on the right hand side of the page. That's a great brief and that image is already doing a lot of work. Calm in chaos is a perfect visual metaphor for what ACT promises. Cinematic results without drowning in complexity. And the text cinematic AI video is already locked in. I'll use this as the campaign's visual anchor. And then I answered a couple of questions which we saw. Where are these ads running? This decides the aspect ratio. I asked them to run on Instagram, TikTok feed and Reels, so 9:16. And what headline and CTA should appear on the ads. Use my page text as it is. So we've got our mood board here right now. So let's zoom in on this. So here we have the images. The first one looks, make AI video that actually looks like film. This is the solution. Go from overwhelmed with tools to the solution, calm and relaxed in the midst of chaos. Yeah, I love that. No, join ACT for $20 a month. The second one here is 2,200 plus creators can't be wrong. ACT changed the way I create, consistency, speed and results. And here we are, characters who stay the same shot to shot. Oh, I like that, that's cool. He's in different locations. Here he is in the chaos in Miss London. Here he is in the street, here he is in front of pyramids, and yeah, sitting next to a car in like Miami or somewhere. No film crew, no chaos, ACT, $20 a month. Excellent. Here's the mood board. 3 directions for you to judge. First concept, problem solution, chaos versus control, the overwhelmed creator to calm filmmaker arc, with the main headline carrying the looks like film promise. Concept 2, social proof. The suited figure has the confident face of the community, 2,200 plus line does the heavy lifting, proof first then the offer. Concept 3, lifestyle community, cinematic frames stacked as collage, consistent character, benefit called out directly, more editorial, less personal driven. Which concept do you want me to expand the full ad family? So I've decided I want to do a mix of 1 and 2, make an AI video that actually looks like a film, and taking you from being overwhelmed with tools to being calm and just knowing exactly what to use, and also including the 2,200 plus creators can't be wrong, and including 3 real testimonies that I've added in those into the box here. So I've said to it, I want to do a mix of 1 and 2, and these are real testimonies for number 2, as the ones on the mood board are made up currently. Okay, so let's see what we've got now. Love this direction, real testimonials change everything. Those 3 quotes are Pacific and warm, exactly the right tone for ACT. Here's the updated plan before I generate. So this is quite fun using this. You can see how the agent can work with you to help you to concept and come up with ideas for your product or for your service. So here, submitting all 8 in parallel. So 5 of the images are generated here and they're looking pretty good. This is one of them, the encouragement and just plain fun I experienced when I joined your cohort. Make AI video that actually looks like film. I'm gonna heart that because it's a good one. Characters who stay the same shot to shot, absolutely worth the investment if you're thinking about taking the plunge, Nari. So I'm just gonna ask it to make one of these into a short video ad. The full set is looking good. Which ad do you want to turn into a video? I think I'll go with this one here. So I've just clicked plus, and when you click on the bottom right and click plus, it adds it into the chat. So the Craig card in 9:16, great pick. The image has a natural slow burn to it, the chaos behind him, the stillness in front, real room for cinematic pushing. So it's going to generate both of these in parallel now using the skill it has for writing video prompts, which I'm assuming it's probably going to use Seedance 2. Yeah, so here we are, Seedance 2, 9:16. This is the prompt it's written. I could click into the prompt and see what it's written for the prompt. Nice long prompt here, talking about what's happening. I'm going to approve that, and then this one here is the 16:9 version. I'm going to click approve on both of these. So now we can see the videos generating here. The first one here 3% and the second one's at 3% too. So the videos are ready now, so I can click in here and see how they look. So when you get the videos back like this, then you can give your feedback to the AI agent and work out what it is you want to change. So we worked on adding in some more energy, adding in some lines here, 2,000 creators every Friday, $20 a month, make AI video that actually looks like film. Join us, warm, measured delivery with a slight smile. So that's perfect. So it's going to generate these new updated videos.
2,000 creators every Friday. Make AI video that actually looks like film. Join us.
Here's why this matters. Beyond my little test, if you're a small business, the maths of doing ad testing just changed. The difference between testing 1 ad a month and 10 used to be a budget and a production team, but now it's 10 requests. And if you're a creator like me, the precepts are honestly just the start. There's a new skill button in there, and any output you make can be done on repeat. You can teach the agent and it will rerun it forever. Skills are live in Runway's agent right now on paid plans, and the link is the first thing in the description. It's in the pinned comment. Try one request on your own product and tell me what came out, and I'll see you in the next video.